Bobcat T76-2. You got easy maintenance back here, small radiator. You got a full new design on the side here. Easy access inside of this machine. This is a great machine. Got nice auxiliary handles, so you can have many auxiliary on there. Just one lap bar that comes down. You got a nice phone holder right here. Got nice designed tower of controls. You got your remote start stop. Got a nice dial for your RPM levels. You got AC controls, and you got your movement, so you can see what the controls do in the CTL. And got a little message right here: Bobcat is one tough animal. You can also, so you have a little RPM level right there, and you got these pedals down here. I can't move them right now, so I don't know what they do. But that is one fine CTL right there.